What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here, back at it again. This time it's the showdown of the titans. The Galaxy S24 Ultra versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Has Apple finally been dethroned? Currently, the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands as the pinnacle of smartphones, outshining the iPhone 15 Pro Max in several key aspects. Let's dive into the top 15 reasons. Number 1. Generative AI dominance. The S24 Ultra leads with its advanced generative AI features, making it a hub of artificial intelligence functionalities. From live translating phone calls to transcribing voice recordings and summarizing web pages, Samsung sets a new standard. Zooming superiority. Despite both phones featuring a 5x zoom, the S24 Ultra excels in overall zoom capabilities. With camera samples showcasing better performance at 10x and beyond, Samsung's 100x zoom outpaces the iPhone's capped 25x. Extended software support. Samsung's announcement of a remarkable 7-year software update plan covering both OS and security updates places it ahead of Apple and Google, offering a significant advantage in terms of longevity. Display brilliance. The S24 Ultra's display surpasses the iPhone 15 Pro Max with higher brightness. Both phones feature AMOLED technology with up to 120Hz refresh rates. The S24 Ultra has a larger, slightly higher resolution display with a peak brightness of 2600 nits compared to the iPhone's 2000 nits. Starting with build and design, both devices utilize titanium frames. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max is smaller and lighter with curved edges, the S24 Ultra boasts flat, sharper edges. This makes the iPhone more comfortable overall for use. Color options vary, however, with both manufacturers using titanium in their naming conventions. Both phones feature the latest super tough glass. The S24 Ultra uses Gorilla Glass armor, unlike the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which employs a ceramic shield glass. Both phones are IP68 water and dust resistant, with the iPhone having a slight advantage in water submersion depth. Design-wise, both are considered incremental improvements, with the S24 Ultra maintaining a flat display compared to the iPhone's always flat display. On the software front, the iPhone runs on iOS 17.2.1, while the S24 Ultra comes with Android 14 and One UI 6.1. Samsung promises 7 generations of Android OS updates, aligning it with Pixel devices. Both platforms offer unique advantages, with Android allowing a lot more customization. In terms of security, the iPhone relies on Face ID, offering fast and secure facial recognition. The S24, however, while having facial unlock, utilizes the Gen 2 Qualcomm 3D sonic fingerprint sensor underneath the display, providing quick and convenient unlocking, an anti-reflective coating, and an improved AMOLED panel. These enhancements contribute to better colors and HDR. Both phones support Wi-Fi 7, but the S24 Ultra introduces DeX for a desktop experience when wirelessly connected to a TV. The speakers on both devices are considered high quality, and both now feature USB Type-C ports. As far as pre-order perks, Samsung sweetens the deal with enticing pre-order offers for the S24 Ultra, providing instant credits, free storage upgrades, trade-in deals, and an educational discount. Cinematic 4K at 120 frames per second. The S24 Ultra's capability to record 4K videos at 120 frames per second sets it apart, offering users creative flexibility for captivating slow-motion effects. Powerful processor. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the S24 Ultra outperforms the iPhone 15 Pro Max in both CPU and GPU performance, marking a significant leap forward. While benchmarks now favor the S24 Ultra, day-to-day performance is smooth on both devices, suitable for gaming as well. Moving on to performance and storage, the S24 Ultra is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12GB of RAM, and a base storage of 256GB, expandable to 1TB. On the other hand, The iPhone 15 Pro Max features an A17 Pro processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB base storage, also expandable to 1 TB. While the iPhone exhibits excellent raw CPU performance, the S24 Ultra excels in hard drive performance, offering faster sequential read and write speeds. Multitasking mastery, Samsung's flagship allows for true side-by-side multitasking, providing users with a more productive and efficient experience compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Text functionality. The S24 Ultra transforms into a computer with enhanced text functionality, appealing to travelers who prefer leaving laptops behind. The S24 Ultra supports faster wired and wireless charging with up to 45 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging capabilities. Those are, however, the same as last year's flagship, the S23 Ultra. The iPhone, however, while having slower charging speeds, supports MagSafe wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. AI revolution, however. Samsung introduces a range of AI-driven features, including instant visual search, improved voice recorder app, AI-enhanced notes app, live transcription and translation in phone calls, and AI-powered photo editing. It should be noted, however, that the Galaxy AI features are free until 2025, with potential subscription charges afterward. Excited to explore the Samsung Galaxy S24 series? Well, stay tuned for more insights, hands-on experiences, and reviews. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss a thing. Now, let's dive into these extraordinary phones. Before we dive into the details, there's an exclusive link below for Gizmo Pro viewers. You'll get a $150 instant Samsung credit, surpassing the $100 everyone else gets. Additionally, enjoy free double storage capacity when ordering the S24 Ultra. It's a limited time deal though, so act fast. Now, let's dive in and explore the unique AI capabilities of the S24 series in detail. These features are powered by an advanced AI, and there's even a mind-blowing hidden feature that I can't wait to share with you. In advanced intelligence features, you'll find all the AI features neatly bundled here. There are some additional settings we'll discuss, but first, let's talk about the circle to search function. Press and hold the navigation bar at the bottom and you can bring up circle to search. This allows you to search for anything with relevant results from Google. You can even customize the search area. Moving on to a hidden gem, you can enable the photo ambient wallpaper option. This feature lets you pick a photo from your gallery and adds weather effects based on real-time conditions. It's a captivating way to personalize your lock screen. Now, how about some unique wallpapers using generative AI? You can use AI to create fresh designs based on your preferences. Next up, Samsung's AI-powered keyboard features. In text messages, you can tap on an advanced intelligence button for options like chat translation, writing style adjustments, and spelling and grammar checks. It's a smart way to enhance your messaging experience. Let's check out the phone's advanced intelligence features. Live translate calls with prompts on the display by tapping on Call Assist. It's a handy tool for seamless communication in different languages. Switching to Samsung Notes, enable advanced intelligence, and you can auto-format, summarize, correct spellings, and even translate paragraphs effortlessly. In the voice recorder app, Advanced Intelligence offers transcript assistance. It can transcribe, summarize, and translate your voice recordings, making it a powerful tool for managing audio content. Samsung Internet also benefits from AI features. While browsing, you can use intelligence to summarize and translate web pages for a more efficient reading experience. The photo editor is another standout feature. Edit images and let AI assist you in moving or deleting elements. It's a creative way to enhance your photos. Lastly, the Interpreter app allows live translations during conversations. It's a versatile tool integrated into various Samsung features. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes packed with AI features that set it apart from other phones. These capabilities, from generative wallpapers to advanced translation tools, make it a standout device in the world of smartphones. And the best part? These features are available across the entire S24 series, ensuring a consistent and powerful user experience. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max camera face-off. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll be delving into the intricacies of their camera systems, exploring various aspects as images, videos, and low-light performance. The primary camera is our starting point. Buckle up, it's time to dive in. Beginning with still images, after capturing numerous shots with both devices, the primary cameras perform admirably in good lighting conditions. Exceptional detail and impressive dynamic range characterize both the S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, subtle distinctions emerge in certain scenarios. The iPhone 15 Pro Max demonstrates a superior dynamic range. For instance, scrutinizing the highlight areas in a building reveals the iPhone maintaining them better than the S24 Ultra. A notable addition to the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its default 24 megapixel setting, providing an advantage in detail when compared side by side at 100% with the S24 Ultra at default settings. Yet, the S24 Ultra's higher resolution options, up to 200 megapixels, come into play for enthusiasts seeking more details, especially in well-lit environments. Now, onto low-light performance from the primary cameras. While both devices present close results, in some scenarios, the iPhone 15 Pro Max tends to handle challenging situations, such as backlighting, a little more effectively. The S24 Ultra struggles in indoor low-light settings, where the iPhone excels in brightening the scene for better composition. The S24 Ultra's slower capture time can result in less sharp images, especially in colder conditions. Now let's shift our focus to the ultra-wide and macro capabilities. Both devices impress with excellent detail and dynamic range, making it challenging to declare a clear winner. Apple seems to have made strides in software improvements for its ultra-wide camera, competing closely with Samsung's traditionally superior dynamic range. Low-light performance from these cameras is a draw, and both support autofocus for compelling macro shots. While the iPhone offers closer focusing, the S24 Ultra's processing delivers more pleasing macro shots. Now, the much anticipated zoom comparison. The iPhone boasts a 5x telephoto camera, while the S24 Ultra features 3x and 5x periscope telephoto cameras. While the iPhone exhibits commendable results up to 5x, the S24 Ultra's optical zoom advantage becomes evident beyond this range. Pushing the limits to 25x, the S24 Ultra maintains an edge with superior detail, attributing this to its extensive experience and extended zoom capabilities. Moving to low-light zoom, the iPhone shines at 2x but loses ground as optical zoom kicks in on the S24 Ultra from 3x onwards. In low-light conditions, the iPhone consistently delivers brighter results, albeit with more noise. At 5x, the S24 Ultra claims victory in low-light portraits, showcasing sharper results while the iPhone struggles to match its performance. Now, portraits. Both devices excel in capturing portraits with nuanced differences in color rendition. The S24 Ultra, equipped with a 3x optical zoom, produces sharper images, especially in the 5x zoom range. In low-light scenarios, the S24 Ultra maintains an advantage, preserving details that the iPhone tends to lose. Let's turn our attention to selfies. Both devices capture impressive self-portraits, each with its strengths in skin tone and dynamic range. Portrait mode enhancements offer flexibility, with the S24 Ultra benefiting from its 3x optical zoom for sharper results in certain scenarios. In low-light selfies, the S24 Ultra demonstrates better noise control, providing a clearer image compared to the iPhone. Before we dive into video capabilities, it's worth noting the S24 Ultra's AI features for post-processing, adding versatility to image editing. Now onto video recording. Traditionally dominated by the iPhone, the competition gets tighter this year. Both devices deliver exceptional 4K video in good lighting conditions, with the iPhone maintaining a slight edge, particularly in dynamic range. Cinematic video, a standout feature, leans towards the iPhone, offering post-capture adjustments and continuous zoom. Low-light video performance remains closely contested, with the iPhone excelling in very dark situations thanks to its dedicated LiDAR scanner. For stabilization, both devices perform admirably in 4K, with action mode and super steady modes offering extra stability. Notably, the iPhone takes the lead in stabilization when using action mode with the primary camera. The S24 Ultra introduces 8K video, showcasing more usable footage than its predecessors, thanks to minimal cropping. Zooming in for video, the S24 Ultra's 5x zoom outperforms the iPhone in terms of sharpness. In low-light scenarios, the iPhone appears brighter but introduces a lot more noise. Professional features are abundant on both devices, with the S24 Ultra offering a Pro Video mode for comprehensive adjustments and the iPhone supporting ProRes video with log for advanced color grading. Slow motion capabilities receive enhancements on the S24 Ultra, with 120 frames per second at 4K replacing the super slow-mo feature. While the iPhone still leads with slow motion options across various lenses, the S24 Ultra's 4K slow motion provides improved detail. Finally, in the realm of audio, both devices capture impressive sound, with the S24 Ultra demonstrating superior noise cancellation in challenging environments, besting the iPhone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max offer exceptional camera systems, making it challenging to declare an outright winner. Each device has its strengths, with the iPhone excelling in low light and dynamic range, while the S24 Ultra leads in zoom capabilities, macro photography, and certain video features. Choosing between them depends on your priorities and preferences. In terms of pricing, the S24 Ultra is competitively priced, with pre-order deals offering double storage and up to $150 in Samsung credit through my affiliate link. Ultimately, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as the flagship king, offering a brighter display, innovative features like the S Pen and AI capabilities, and competitive performance. Despite being $100 more expensive, the S24 Ultra provides more value for your money, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a feature-rich smartphone. Share your thoughts on the S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max comparison in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Thanks also for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for our in-depth hands-on comparison. See you next time.